Alright guys, this is the Davison Farmers Market. I'm just going to do a walkthrough. We got live music. This is the Keto Cafe, see, Healthy Treats Market. You can eat here. You can diet here. You can buy mixes. I'm not. Okay, guys, this is my friend Kristen. She has these clothes. If you guys buy LuLaRoe or those kind of brands, like really nice brands, this is Smile. It's actually cheaper than LuLaRoe, and their clothes seem to last longer. Her kids wear this. I have this picture of her little girl. She bought the same dress in 2017, and she still has that dress now in 2021. It's just a little shorter on her, but it looks exactly like it did when she first bought it. So that's something you guys can come and shop for Christmas gifts. We're going to go into the market. I'm going to take you in the market so you can see what we got here. Okay. We've got signs. There's so many neat things here that you can do that you can get for Christmas gifts. Candles, wax, jam, there's bread. Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
There's all kinds of jams here, homemade jams. Everything here is homemade, guys. Most of it. I can't say everything. Those nature people, they have teas and oils and all kinds of stuff. Lori here, Nicos. She sells soap bars. She sells shampoo and conditioner. I use this. I bought this from her. This serum. I don't know. There's just a lot of things. She's got these shampoos and conditioners. These are all natural. I'll just show you what the back of one of them is so you can see the ingredients. Olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and then essential oils. These are all natural things. Hi, Lori. I love you. There's bath bombs here. Jadine's, they have got the absolute best beef jerky you'll ever find. And they don't just have beef jerky. They have pulled pork, bacon, brisket, all kinds of stuff. Here's some more candles. All kinds of Christmas gifts, guys. Come on Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday will be, oh, these are nails. These are like, instead of nail polish or getting your nails done, these are stick-ons, but they stay on. You can get these. This is the price. Let's move on. This is one of my favorite booths, guys. Tina at Young Living. I'm telling you, I've had 4 kids with RSV. 3 of them ended up in the hospital, and the only reason my son didn't end up in the hospital is because Tina took care of him. Look at all these. I have gone clean now, and I use thieves to clean my house and clean my counters, and I use vinegar for the floors. I put their essential oils in just about everything. She's not here right now, but it doesn't matter. You can come check out all the things she has. And instead of candles, what I do is I got a diffuser and I put oils in it to smell up the house really good. There's more candles here, guys. These are all homemade T-shirts. Look how cute these are. This sweet lady crochets so many things. I love when I see people crochet because my girls, Genevieve and Corinne, know how to crochet. Look how cute these hats are. Hello, how are you, sweetie? Good. I'm just going live showing people what you got. And then there's hard cider here, Porter's Cellar. Okay, I love Ray Porter. He's the one that got me started here in the market. And then this is Porter's Orchard. Apples, honey, popcorn, coffee. Hey, sweetie, whatever you want. Oh, this guy. I love this guy right here. He makes all these by hand. See this? How are you, sweetheart? Merry Christmas. Yeah. I wanted to go live so people can see what's at the market. Yep. Benzene produce. They got all kinds of stuff here, guys. That's what I'm saying. You can come here, eat here, Christmas shop here, grocery shop here, all in one. And Eileens is open now. This is where we used to be, guys, and now we got comfort food here. Look what all they got. They've got cupcakes. They've got pop. They've got a delicious menu. Look how reasonable the menu is. I'm going to just show it to you for a second. And we actually had some people come up to us and tell us they ate here and it was delicious. Hello. Biscuits and gravy, hot dogs, hamburgers, chili, grilled cheese, soup, BLTs, grilled chicken, you name it. So come feed your kids here. Jewelry. How are you, sweetie? I'll just go slow so you guys can check out what's here. And this is Bob's Fudge, Nana and Papa's Fudge. He's even got Keto Fudge. And this sweet lady's got a bunch of these. I'm going to go around this way to show you. I'm sorry. She's got all kinds of crosses and things like that for sale.
Camels are cute.
Oh, little camels. Oh, look at that nativity. That's beautiful. Cross. There's another one. Oh, that one's got a music box? Nice. Aww. So pretty. And then Bassam, he's got all kinds of Mediterranean food there. And this is Living Water. Everything here is Michigan made and organic as much as you can get. They try to keep everything organic here. See that? Living Water, Michigan organic food. Kombucha, alkaline water, they've got everything. You name it, they got it. That's what I'm saying. Look at this. This sweet lady sews all of these. She gave me some pot holders. These are plate pals. If your plates are too hot, this will keep it warm and you can even put this in the microwave. These are door stoppers. There's all different kinds of things you can do. Hi, honey. Purses, wallets, towels. Oh, how nice. Hello. Thank you. Me too. They only had one and I never saw it again. Every year I go to Myrtle Beach, they only have them. Blankets and hats. Oh, look at these scarf hat mitten sets. These make perfect Christmas gifts. And then there's the egg basket. You can go to the egg basket and buy milk and eggs and ice cream and butter, all kinds of stuff. This is like an extension of Nana and Papa's Fudge. They have a sweet shop. They've got all kinds of bread here. They've got muffins, pies. Look at all those pies. They are busy baking all the time. And their stuff sells. He's in here every off day cooking. Popcorn. I love this place, guys. Okay, show me something cool. Can you show me something cool since I'm live? What is that? What is that one knife? I know it's all cool. What's that one knife that looks like? What is that?
This is a cooked knife. It's made a Japanese steel.
Uh-huh.
They take and hand forge it. It takes about 2 months for them to hand forge this.
Wow.
You got the nice finger ball to give you a little extra control. That's a real nice cooking knife.
Yep.
That aspect.
That'll make a great Christmas present.
Oh, yeah. That's where mine for your wife.
Oh, nice.
Got me doing knife sharpening as well.
Oh, you sharpen knives here too?
Yes.
Awesome. I didn't know that. Nice.
She's the expert on that.
Uh-huh.
Here in the States, and it's also like a lifetime warranty.
Nice. Okay, show me some of your other stuff that I got. Or show me whatever you want to show me. Show me something cool. There you go. My kids have that.
This is like a Brutus. It's a self-defense. Normally, what you do is you put your 2 fingers in, and as an extension of your arm, you're going to plug into the body, you're going to twist it, and you pull it back out.
Ow!
And that way you hurt someone and it gives you a chance to run.
Exactly.
Yeah, without killing them. Yep. And they're very reasonably priced here, guys. Everything is reasonably priced. What is that? Flashlight?
Yeah.
Cool. They got flashlight gloves.
Alright, this is a flashlight glove.
Okay.
It was originally designed for night fishermen.
Uh-huh.
So you put your index finger there, and your thumb finger in the
Okay.
and you're gonna wrap it around your wrist.
Okay.
You can aim with that, can't
Yes. And this is how, when you night fish, you'll be able to see whatever you're looking at.
Oh,
This is
wow.
also really good for crafts.
Awesome.
Needlepoint,
What about tattooing?
tattooing probably would be great. Anything that you need to see that's detailed,
Yeah.
and it's in a darker environment.
Yeah.
It's out, you're really able to see.
Yeah.
Another use for it is like if you're working on wires or you're plumbing.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
You're able to see without having to try to get your
That's awesome.
something else in.
What type battery do they take?
Well, we have 3 different types. We have ones that are the flat batteries.
I'm telling you guys, there's so many cool things here. And then there's Knob Hill Meats. They've got all kinds of stuff. All the meat they buy here is vegetarian fed. It's all kosher. Tom's the owner there. He handpicks everything he sells. That's what he does. You got Viennas. I didn't know you sell Kogels here. I'm not here. Oh my gosh, they got Kogels here. You can even get Kogel here. They got all this Kogel. They've had it. I've just been blind. Okay, that's because my favorite. Let me tell you guys my favorite, and I can't eat it a lot, but this zesty Italian sausage is literally to die for. You'll be addicted. If you try it once, you'll be addicted. And then there's Hill's Cheese. These guys are awesome. Look how many cheeses they got. All right, guys, that's the market. And then there's all these other pies. Like, there's just so many things you can get here. Little gift bags. These are little gifts if you want them. And look how reasonably priced they are. They're mugs with a treat for $6. Okay, guys? Come visit us. We're in the
Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Christmas hours are going to be Tuesday and Thursday, 9 to 5. Friday, we're open from 9 to 3, Christmas Eve. And then New Year's hours are going to be just Tuesday and Thursday, 9 to 5. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.